So does your closet look like this? It's overwhelmed with clothes, there's no room for anything, and you just don't know what to do. If you're like me, you probably have an overflow of clothes that you barely wear. Better yet, most of the clothes in your closet don't even fit. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to declutter your closet efficiently and what I did to get rid of 75% of clothes out of my closet and my drawers. So keep watching. So we're gonna start with the category phase. This is the time when you decide where your clothes will be going once you get rid of them. So popular categories are keep, throw away, donate. I'm gonna take it a bit further and I'm gonna donate to charity, donate to my mom, and I'm also gonna be selling a few. There is no wrong way to go about this process. Of course, you can have 3 categories or you can have 10. As long as you know where your clothes will be going once you decide what to do with it is what matters. So the next phase is the clear out phase. This is when you either take your items out of your closet or you work in sections. If you have a lot of space outside of your closet to take out your items, take it out now. But if you can't do that, as I wasn't able to do that, I would suggest that you work in sections, which means you section off your closet. And once you go through that section, you go to the next one. So I broke my closet into sections. I worked on the top rod, then I went to the bottom rod, and then I went to the other side, which is where my shoes, my jeans, and my accessories sit. So with that said, the third phase is the decision-making phase. And it's important that you are ruthless during this phase. In this phase, you're gonna be asking yourself objective questions. You're going to be asking yourself questions like, have I worn this in the last 2 years? Does this fit? If they do fit, how do I feel in this? Do I feel confident? Is it too tight? Am I not comfortable in this item? I'd also add the question, can someone else benefit from having these clothes? A lot of times our clothes sit in our closets and they don't get used. And there's so many people out there who could benefit from using these clothes. Ask yourself these questions, and if you realize that these clothes are no longer serving you, then let it go. So the fourth phase is to get rid of the items that you no longer will be keeping. What I mean by that is you're gonna bag up all the piles that you just created and you're going to get rid of them. So if you have a family member you'll be giving these items to, call them up, text them up, and tell them to come pick it up. If you can send it to them, even better, and send it to them that day. Do not sit with these items, because what you'll see is the longer you sit with these items, you're probably gonna keep them, because there's always a reason why we should keep everything. If you wanna send it to charity, send it to the charity that day. If you want to sell it, try to put it up for sale that day. And if you wanna throw them away ethically, throw them away that day. All right, so if you got this far, make sure you like this video and subscribe. All right, let's keep decluttering. So the last and final phase is the reorganizing phase. This is a time where you will be color coordinating your closet. You'll be categorizing your clothes. You'll be adding labels to your systems. You'll be adding storage solutions to your closet and organizing products. This is a time where you basically organize your space after you've decluttered it. It's a very important part because this is what's going to help you keep it organized. So you have to make sure it makes sense. If you will be bringing new products into your space, before you do, make sure you measure your space first. Make sure that these items will fit properly. And also, it's important that you're intentional with these items. If you're going to be designating a bin to maybe your jeans, make sure you do that and keep it that way. Sometimes you're busy and it's difficult to keep up with these systems, but when you keep up with the systems, you'll see how you're able to maintain it, which is the most important part when it comes to organizing. And so now that my closet is less and clutter-free, I feel like everything in my closet are things I love. And that was so important to me, especially now that my life is so busy with another human. I don't have a lot of time to get ready. So as long as I can go in my closet, find what I need in less than a minute, then I have won. So as you know, I do rent out dresses. This is one of the dresses that I've rented out. And this has also made getting ready so much easier. And it's also made decluttering easier. Now that my style is changing, a lot of the clothes that I had in the past no longer suited me, no longer just meant anything to me. But now that my style is changing, I can now go out and buy clothes that fit my style rather than holding on to clothes that didn't. So this is one of the dresses. I'll just walk back just a little bit so I can show you. Really simple dress. Literally, it looks like I'm doing a lot, but I'm really not. And it works for me now, especially since it's really simple for me to put on, nurse Cairo, and it looks like I put a lot of thought in this outfit when I really didn't. So if you guys want to declutter your closet and you're finding it difficult to do so, I am relaunching my virtual organizing sessions. So basically we can connect virtually and I can help you organize your space. And it's not just limited to closets, it's really any space in your home. So if you need some guidance on where to start, on what products to purchase, on just what to do, you should definitely check out the link below and book a session with moi. So as always, thank you so very much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.